Guys, if this is your first time stopping in, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and go check out my other videos that I have on the channel. Some great content, and we've got great future content to come that you will not want to miss. We are headed out to Dover's shop, and we are going to see what's going on out there. I was out there a little bit last weekend, not a lot going on. I did get footage of Caleb's car last weekend. That's when I was out there, and I did get a little footage of work going on in the shop, and I'll throw that in right here. Y'all having some fun in here?
A little, not a lot.
Putting the walls up.
Yeah, it's been crazy.
Has it? What's going on? Got the insulation in. And the walls up. Shop is finished painted. We got it finished. Cody, you like?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Plenty of room for activities now. As you can see, the insulation in, the walls are up, the walls are painted, the floor is done. So guys, we are headed out to the shop, and then we will see you there. We are here, and as you can see, I do have the street wheels back on the car, and I'm actually enjoying the handling, having the handling back again. With those front runners, you don't exactly handle right, but with these S350 wheels with the 285s up front and the 305s in the back, the car handles extremely well. Come on, guys.
We've been waiting on you to get here.
Been waiting on me. I'm actually early.
I got this message from Ken. Hey, I'm on my way from Dover's. That's 2 hours ago. So Ken,
From Dover's?
to Dover's.
To Dover's.
From
he was in
to Dover's?
Nashville.
Yeah,
He was in Nashville, apparently.
2-hour drive.
Well, it's an hour. I'm about 45 minutes away.
Oh, here we go with the excuses. Come on.
I don't have as many excuses as you're going to have when I drag you down the track.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
All right, guys, the sun actually decided to come out all of a sudden, but as you can see, the shop is coming along very nicely. Still haven't got a lift in and got all the electrical run, but we do have shelving going in, got the bathroom in, got the shelving going up top. Got a few cars in here. As you know, this is Dover's car, Philip, his first Coyote build. You've seen that in the video. And this is the strawberry car that they are building. You've seen that a couple times, but man, that paint is beautiful. And then this is, you've seen this also in the video. We kind of talked about it. It was inside the trailer, but this is Dover's drag car. It's kind of been on hold. He's been doing all these Coyote swaps and stuff like that, so he kind of put this on the back burner, but it's fixing to start coming back. And he's actually going to be doing something pretty cool with this, and I'm sure all of you want to see it.
was talking about putting the sink up higher.
I know it.
What was I thinking of? He was going to it, and then Alex was like, no, if you do that, Ken can't reach it. So I kept it down like, you didn't want him spoons going in front of it, huh?
Instead of
Shut
bucket
your
over
mouth.
here.
You're like a half an inch taller than me.
He said, whatever.
Whatever.
I'm 5'11", that's all he was.
5'9".
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we gonna get different stuff, guys.
No, he didn't have to put so damn high. I wouldn't have this problem.
Move it down.
We need to get a special Ken shell.
You're tall enough.
Ken, he left your coat hanger in there too.
You got my coat hanger in there?
Put your coat up.
You got jokes. You got jokes. I can do it. Look, I can reach it. I can reach. No, I can't.
No, you can't.
Ken, did your thumb ever heal up?
You want this right here or something?
Yes, my thumb almost
You
is.
take that top corner,
Almost.
touch the top.
You want to put it down by the bear, and we'll kind of have this wall covered?
Yeah, let's put it down there.
Spend a whole day bumping and rubbing.
Ken, Ken, say this. What does this say? Say it out loud.
Hold on, let me back up. You're too close.
Say that. What is that?
It is PMAS.
It is a penis.
PMAS.
Penis.
PMAS.
Penis.
Hang up this relish unless you want.
It's penis.
It's a little old.
You gonna put a big penis on your car?
Yeah. You're damn right.
You two.
You got this string.
And that's an old binder.
Well, he put this.
Alright guys, so we got pretty much most of the shelving up. Still gotta get some angle iron to come over here. Dover, we got some parts up here for a car you're gonna be building?
Yes, already.
Already getting some parts in for another car. So it's got the Cook's long tube headers, Cook's X-pipe, and he's got a 17 brand new 17 GT crate motor, and it also has a T56 Magnum on the way. So it's gonna be a sweet build. So stay tuned for that. But got some banners hung up. Looking forward to getting the lift up. It should be happening next couple of days, getting the lift up, and then get the electrical run, and then we'll start working on cars in here. Cody, you want to get some pizza?
Anything. I don't care.
We haven't had pizza in Humboldt in a while.
I'm starving.
He wants some fish tacos.
I'll take whatever. I'll take whatever.
Fish tacos.
So there wasn't a lot going on today out of the shop. Just pretty much getting the new shop ready to get everything in there. Like as I said, the lift should be going in the next couple of days. We got the lift, we'll have the lift up. Then all the electrical being run, and pretty much be ready to start getting in the cars for the Coyote swaps. From my understanding, there's already 2 that's going to be started on pretty soon. One was the one we talked about with the 17 GT crate motor and T56 Magnum and stuff like that. So they'll be starting on that shortly. Parts are still arriving constantly for that car. Once all the parts get here and the car gets here, we'll get started on that car. And then there's another car coming in, I believe, for Coyote swap. That's a good thing with the shop, having builds coming into the shop. We'll actually have content to come during the winter. Right now it's 66 degrees here. If you caught the video a couple videos back with a subscriber come in, it was like low 30s, upper 20s that night. And now we're in the 60s. It just goes to show if you don't like the weather in Tennessee, stick around, it will change. But I'm still gonna be able to bring you guys content during the winter. Unfortunately, the drag strip won't be open hardly any during the winter with the weather. I'm hoping for maybe 1 or 2 more times to go out to the drag strip if possible, but we will see. Right now, however, I am actually enjoying driving on my street wheels and tires. The car actually handles very well with this setup.